Alright, what you see here is a sand copper into Norden with the fresh white hardware and pink tinted blades. I got this from an Instagram I got a giveaway, and yeah, this is how it started, because I wanted one for a while. I did want a matte nickel one, but I kind of lost that. But yeah, the chances of came to this day. And the back, I just, oops, noticed the cradle. I opened it up so you guys can see what it looked like. I've always wanted one in a while, so yeah, finally made it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the fan. This one here is the remote. So yeah, it has pink featherwood blades on both sides. On a down rod, I kind of accidentally broke the rubber piece on the copper cover a little bit, but yeah. Now we're going to start the demonstration, beginning with the light. It has an audible beep. This is my first fan with no. So the trick is I hold down fan and light, up and down arrows, and 3 beeps would indicate that you disabled dimming, and 2 beeps mean that dimming. I'll show you lights. Alright, here's low. Think, what have I done? Oops. Okay, you see it has a DC motor, which is normal. So yeah, it's not the defect of the model. So yeah, very cool. Speed 2. Disposal. Feel some air from what it is. Sorry, I got cut off. Had to delete some stuff. Speed 3. Or that's speed 5. I'm sorry. I believe this is like speed 5. Yeah, Mom asked me to give it to my cousin, but I want to keep it and hang it in my dad's room. Right. Right. Since this has 6 speeds, and I'm not gonna deal with in USB 6. So let's hope I max it out. Yeah, I maxed the whole speed out. It runs very silent. When I first got this, the bracket was bent. The mounting bracket was bent, and I had to bend it by hand. And it worked. So now I don't have to deal with that damage again. Yay, if I ever see it bent, I'll try to bend it back. So yeah. It actually blows a really good amount of air. It's like 4,000 CFMs of somewhat. So yeah, call on Facebook as Richmond the more said that we're the Norden but twins. Yeah. Now I'll turn it off. It's very short. Now let's try reverse. Fan light, hold it down. Oh, what have I done? Oh, what have I done? So, yeah, what the heck did I have done? So, okay, I thought I was gonna change the speeds. This is one of my favorite fans. Look, this is 54-inch. Since the video is gonna be like long, I'm not gonna waste my time. Turn lights off so you can see without the lights. Have lights on. Okay. Just hold it down. Oops. Speed 2. This is my first fan that has 6 speeds, by the way. There's no way you can disable the beeps on it. Alright. Here we go. It's 3. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm sorry if you guys can't see while it's on reverse with the light on. That's what I usually do. Alright. Alright, so alright, here we go. Hopefully speed 4. Somewhat 5. I'll check if I maxed speed out. Hopefully I did. Yeah, I kinda got a little trouble with tightening it down on Loctite was in there. Hold down. Now 6. Hopefully. Yeah, I maxed the speed out. The fan is an okay river. It's for being a DC fan, so yeah. Just hold down the light button. I'll show you how the light works. And I'll shut it off. Okay, so now the spin down is so short. And yeah, it is. Very short. Yeah. Very short. Okay, so yeah. That's about it for my 54-inch Hunter Norden in satin and copper. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And hopefully, if my dad will allow me to hang this in my dad's room, I will have a fan here in my dad's room, so I don't have to sweat during the next summer. So, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. And yeah, this is technically the second video of the Norden on YouTube.